Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to get Unix timestamp and also how to get the real date and time value from the Unix timestamp. This particular Apex code will be very helpful when people integrate Salesforce with other applications. In many applications, they send Unix timestamp. So in order to convert that Unix timestamp into date time value, we can make use of this piece of code. I will go through each line of code so that it will be easy. So in the first line of code, I'm just getting what is the current date and time. Since I'm using system.now, it will return the value in GMT or UTC. Next, I'm just adding a debug statement to see what is the current date and time. Next, I'm converting the value of current date and time, and I'm using the get time method so that it will return me the Unix timestamp, and then I'm converting that into a string value. So, and after that, I'm just adding a debug statement to find the Unix timestamp. So this dot get time will give you the Unix timestamp. So if you want to send Unix timestamp value from Salesforce to the other third-party application, then we can make use of this dot get time so that it will get the time, date and time in Unix timestamp, and then you can send it to the third-party application. And next, I'm converting the string value which I got it here to a long value. The purpose of this is to get the real date and time of the Unix timestamp. So this is mainly for decoding the Unix timestamp. So using dot get time, we can get the Unix timestamp, and in order to find what is the correct date and time, I'm using again date and time dot new instance of the long value of Unix timestamp. Why I'm using this long dot value of is in the new instance method of date and time class, we can pass only the long value. I have seen developers trying to use integer, so it does not support integer. You have to pass the long variable value. So this is to find the Unix timestamp, and this is mainly used to decode the Unix timestamp. So let's execute and see. Okay, so this is the current date and time. This is currently in GMT or UTC, and this is the Unix timestamp. If a third-party application requires Unix timestamp, then we can pass this value. If the third-party application sends the Unix timestamp, if we want to convert that into date and time and store it in Salesforce, then we can get this value. Very important thing here is the date and time whatever we are using here, everything will be in GMT or UTC. So if your customers or if your users are in different time zone, you have to use a format method in date and time class so that you will get it in the local time zone of the user. So based on the locale, whatever is selected on the user detail, the format method will convert the value into the user's local time zone, and then it can be stored. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.